Hello guys, so today I'm going to review a theme named Jethro. It's a theme made by Patirakalipam T, and it's uh, it's a theme made on bootstrap. So it has a HTML5 framework and CSS, and it has some new features like customizable social icons. It has a font awesome support, and it also supports multi-level menu, etc. So and yes, it's a completely 100% responsive theme to work with. So first of all, we are going to set up it. So it's an easy way to check how the theme work. We can use the simplytest.me, in which we can create a sandbox project for Drupal core. For the latest version, we are creating 8.2.4. Just we have from branches for 8.3.x, but here we are using 8.2.4 version. In the advanced options, we can add some additional modules or themes. So here we are adding Jethro. So Jethro is a theme, and just launch the sandbox. And simplytest.me is a very neat tool. It's a very good UI, and it's very useful for testing patches and modules in a very fastly. It's been created by Patrick Drotleff. So, and first of the most important of this is simplytest.me hardly takes 2 minutes to complete all the procedure to install Drupal locally. So we don't have to do anything on the database or anything on the configuration side. We just have to save and continue. Click save and continue. Again, just save and continue. Now it will take a minute or so to install Drupal, and then we'll be on the configure sites page. And if you want to install the theme locally, you can go to drupal.org/project/Jethro, and you can download the theme from here. Below is the theme. You can click download that for tar.gz file for Debian Ubuntu systems, or zip for Windows, etc., and can unzip the file and can save the file into the directory of your Drupal in themes folder. Then just save and continue, and just go to the appearance and save it, install. And so now we are done with this. So we have to go to appearance. In appearance, we'll be able to see that there is a theme Jethro. So we just have to install and set as default. So go back to the site. So here we are. So it has a very neat UI, and in this tutorial I'll giving you a brief intro to how to do basic stuffs on this theme and every part of this. So first of all, we have a header part in which we have a contact link, and this Drupal, it's showing the what version of Drupal we are using, and we have the account links, which in my account and logout, and the path by Drupal link. On the right hand side, we have the menu links, that is the home, and we can add more. It's a dynamic page. So below this we have the content page, in which we can add the content from here, and then afterwards we can create the contents from here. Then it has a footer in which it has with saying Jethro ported to Drupal by dropthemes.in, and below this we have a module enabled, that is scroll to top. This means that whenever we'll be below this the page, or we on the end of the page, and we'll be clicking this button, it will be bringing up to the top of the page. So first of all, we can do is we can create a page by adding content. Add content. So we can either create an article or a basic page. So we can create an article here. So give it a summary, say hello world, and in the comments say hello Drupal, this is Jareen Kidnap, and if you want to add some images, you can add some images. Say I'm going to add a Drupal image and name it, because if you are adding an image it will be requiring an alternate text, so as a Drupal. If you want to add some tags like India, Google, etc, 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 you can add anything. Just save and publish. So this is how your node will look like. And if you go to yeah, moreover you can add some the comments. Say hi is a comment, and this is Drupal. So save and continue, and it has created a comment for this page, and we'll be showing that the comment has been submitted by admin, that's me, on the day and year and month and time. Then it's a new comment, so new, and then we'll be going back to the main home page. We'll be able to see the hello page has been created, which has a comment, one comment. And if you want to go to this page, we have to click on the page, but moreover we can add a menu link over here, and that can be done by going to structure, menus, sorry, in structures go to menus. Inside this, go to main navigation. This is the main navigation, and add a link, and add a menu link. Say this is for hello world, so link should be like the homepage link slash the node, and this node that has been created, in case the node is first node, and just save it, and then go back to the site and see. So yes, hello world menu link has been created. Along with, when we'll be clicking on the hello world, it will be directing us to the first node that we created, and we can edit anything over here. So just go back to the site. So in the same manner, if you want to add one more page, an article or a basic page, say we want to create one more article, say, and just this is Drupalicon, that's a bot. This is a bot, and inside this you can add some image like Drupal 8 image. Okay, and then inside this we can add some alternate text, say what we call it, say Drupalicon, and just save and continue. And yes, article has been created. Whenever you created a comment or an article, a message pops up every time showing whether it is created properly or not. And here it has been created. We can add a comment also if you want, say hi again. This is Neeraj. These are just the dummy comments I'm creating for this tutorial. Just go back to this. Oh, moreover we can add a menu link for this page as well. Just go to structure, in structures go to menus, in the main navigation add a link, say Drupalicon. The link should be like this, node/2. And yes, the menu link has been saved. So okay, we have saved it already. So go back to this home page, and here on the home page we'll be able to see that Drupal hello world Drupal hello world and home has been created. You can add as many menu links as you want and as many pages as you want over here. So but on the left hand side on the header, there is the left side looks a bit messy, so we can go to structure, and moreover we can open the structures on the next page so that it will be saving our time to just change the content and looking back what's the change. This front page looks very nice, and if you want to add some more things over it, like go to block layout, and inside block layout we have a bunch of things like footer menu, main navigation, site branding, user account menu, powered by Drupal. So what we can do is we can just have this Drupal version, that is the user account, is the site branding. We should have only this over the top, and we can add that powered by Drupal onto footer first. We can add this user account menu to footer second. We should add the main navigation should be there, site branding should be there, and footer menu should be there. So below this, what you can do, we can first have a look and check it how it looks. So go to the page and just refresh it, and you'll be able to see that only Drupal 8.2.4 is remaining over here. It's taking a bit of time, maybe my internet connection is slow. Yes, we have a contact button over here as well. So powered by Drupal and my account, all this stuff. It looks a bit nice. So what else we can do is we can remove this footer menu, and we can add this to footer third. You have unsaved changes, just save the block. As soon as it is refreshed, so refresh the page. So we just have the version, then the menu links, then below this we have powered by Drupal, my account, and contact. So it's much better than the previous one. Moreover, we can do a little bit of more things. By tools, we add content, we can search for anything, and we can add some things like we want to have something below this main content. So where is the main content? So we can see the content pages over here, and below this is the sidebar first and sidebar second. Then we have content highlighted. So sidebar first is basically this side in which we have search and tool option, and if we enable sidebar second, it will be coming right on here, and this portion, the content will be like the width will be decrease and the length will increase. So right now the page looks neat, so we don't want to do anything on the right side, so leave the sidebar second as it is. And we can add some content highlighted. We can add a block, just click on place block, and we can add something like recent content, say. But we have page title, we have primary actions, we have search from user log, so we can have recent comments. Yes, so save it, the block, and save it again over here, and now check how it looks. Yeah, it looks nice. So we have this now the thing is that is the what we call it, the navbar, the main navigation. On the left we have the version showing, on the right we have the menu links, on below this we have our content, articles we have created. Left side we have tools, below we have the recent comment and all that stuff, and we have a footer that just reported to Drupal by drop.themes.in. And there are many more things, like we can add below this, we don't, if we want to add anything else on footer bottom you can add, but right now we are not going to add anything else on this. So content highlighted we have added. If we can add some banners and all that stuff on page title, banner, that's up to you. So this was a basic understanding. This tutorial was basically to make you understand how to work on Jethro theme. So yeah, let's give it a look on how, whether it is responsive or not. So just inspect element on Chrome and click this button where we can see that whether it is responsive or not. We have created responsive over here, and we are able to see that it's completely responsive. So we have everything over here, and let's go to a node, say hello world. And yes, everything is completely responsive. We don't have any width more than 100, so just make it back to normal. So that's all guys, and have a nice day.